Good morning, good afternoon. This is ninth grade math. We're just going to be going over our histograms practice assessment today. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So this is on Schoology. The first question says, what is the shape of this histogram? So notice that most of the data is over here on the right. So remember, this is wacky. It's opposite. So it's going to be actually called skewed left. And that would be your answer. Okay, the next one, how many games were played? So you would count up, the number of games is here on the side, you would count up all of these stacks. So we're going to start, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is the correct answer. Okay. What is the range? The range is the lowest value to the highest value. So the highest value here could be up to 15, and the lowest value could be 4. This would be 11. This one, our next histogram, where does the median value fall? So we're going to have to do a little bit of math here. Okay, so the median, the first thing we have to do is we have to find the position, and we have to use this formula, position, right? Is that n plus 1 over 2 formula? Okay, so we'd have to count up how many we have. 1, 2, this is what, 5, and this is how many, 8. So 1 plus 5, oh, that's so ugly. 1 plus 5 plus 8 would be 14. So it would be 14 plus 1 divided by 2, or 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5. So that's not our answer, but that tells us the position of our answer. So we would just count up until we get to that 7.5 spot. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then our median would be here. 7, 8. It would be right here, okay? It would be in this stack from 12 to 15. So that would be your answer. So for this one, 12 to 15 is the answer. Now we have a symmetric histogram. A symmetric histogram just means it looks the same on both sides. All right, countries represented each festival. So how many the festivals represented, you would add up each stack. So you would, it says how many, so you would add each of the stacks. And here it is. So you would say this is 1, this is 3, 5, 4, and then 2. So 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 2 is 15. So the correct answer would be 15. Okay. Which interval does the median value fall? The median value falls at it's going to be the middle. In a symmetric histogram, it really should fall in the middle. But we just said that there were 15. Let's escape out of there. We just said that there were 15 values. So we do 15 plus 1 over 2, right, which is 16 over 2, or 8. So we want to just find that 8th spot. So this is 1 and this is 3. So 1 and 3, this is going to count up to 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's going to be in this stack right here, 12 to 17. In a symmetric histogram, it should be in the center. The median is in the center in a symmetric histogram. All right, let's see one more question, or is that done? Review. So we can review our answers, and then we'll just say finished. That's all. You reached the end of the preview. Oh, then the students, you guys would submit it for grading. I'm not going to submit it. Great job, guys.